welcome to this lucky KidTime StoryTime because St. Patrick's Day is right around the proverbial corner, and I know what you need. You need 3 ways to trap a leprechaun. Yes! Yes! Yum!
What?
What?
Did you just say yum?
You said yum. What? I just said yay. Yay.
This is very suspicious.
So suspicious.
I think I know what you're thinking.
Yeah, I also think I know what you're thinking. Oh, you don't know what I'm thinking, green thing. You can't possibly know. No, I think that he knows what you're thinking, and I think I know what he's thinking that you're thinking. I think I said that right. You know what? You're just all confused, and just go on and trap that leprechaun for me. Yum.
I heard you say yum again.
I heard it too. Okay. We're gonna learn the 3 ways to trap a leprechaun, Green Bear.
Okay, but?
Yeah, you heard the but coming. Do not let any witches near the trap.
Yeah, I think that they're up to no good.
I know, no good at all. So, do you see this? Do you see? This is gold. See the gold and it's reflecting? You see my fingertips reflecting? That's the stuff. That's the good stuff that the leprechaun wants. So, and it tells us here, build your own leprechaun trap. Oh, we will. We will. So, babe, close attention. Here we go. Oh, did you see that? That is the author, Tara. Her. She sent us a book and she autographed it just for us. You know why? Because she loves us, you and me and the KidTime family. And right away we see a redhead with her trusty dog. And already I can tell she's a bit of a designer because, well, she's designing. My little brother Sam doesn't think leprechauns are real. Can you believe that? Leprechauns, baloney.
What? That's just crazy. Wow, he's tougher than a New York audience.
Ooh, that's a good combination. Leprechauns and bologna. Yum. I heard that. Ew. Leprechauns and bologna. That's a weird combination. Anyway, well, I believe in leprechauns. They're magical, mischievous, miniature marvels. It's almost St. Patrick's Day, so it's time to show Sam, doubting Sam there, the inescapable truth. I'll build an inescapable leprechaun trap. Time to plan, plot, and plow ahead with my design. What? Arf! Yeah, that's right. Arf, we're doing this thing. Do I have the proper tools and supplies? Let's find out. Well, where are we going? Well, in due time, young doubting Sam. In due time. Ta-da! Master plan. Welcome to my leprechaun trap laboratory. Pretty snazzy, huh? I agree. Snazzerific. We got so many random supplies, but you never know which is going to be the winning combination when it comes to the trap. So let's see what she gathered. She has dominoes, which make a lot of sense to me. Magnifying glasses. She's got a teapot, scissors, crayon, a bunny. Some rolls of tape, some green paper, a tennis ball. There's Barky McBarkerson. What? Did you see that? The leprechaun knows about the leprechaun trap lab, which is supposed to be top secret? Oh, he's already one step ahead of the game. And this one, still all like, wah, wah. In this trap, the stick holds the basket, which looks a lot like a laundry basket, does it not? The string is tied to the stick, and something shiny is attached to the string. No leprechaun can resist this trap. Let's give it a test run. Oh, and here we have some gold coins. And I have some gold chocolate coins waiting over here just for that occasion. Now it's 0 hour. Countdown to Claire the hero hour. Let's lure the leprechaun. Watching right there. And I noticed that Barky McBarkerson hasn't barked to anyone that he already spotted the leprechaun. But you know what? It's just as well. Let's just let it unfold naturally. So there's Barky McBarkerson just like, ha, 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 this is cool. And then it's going over there, and there's the bunny waiting, holding the gold coin, and there's the stick, and you can see what's going to happen. The leprechaun is going to grab the gold shiny coin, because they love gold shiny coins, and that is tied to the string. When he pulls it, it's going to yank the string, which is going to yank the stick, which is holding up the laundry basket, and then boom, the basket's going to land on top of the leprechaun, and boom, you got a leprechaun. Yum! Oh no! Oh.
Oh, Zip! He tripped the trap but gave us a slip.
Hey, what's this note?
Try and try, but I'll be gone. You can't catch me. I'm a leprechaun. Love, Finn.
Finn. I bet that's short for
Finnegan?
I was going to say Fintabulous, but probably Finnegan. What about Finn Pickle?
But I guess that's possible.
Yep, I think it's Finn Pickle. I don't think it's Finn Pickle at all, actually.
Ha! Finn sounds like the gingerbread man right before the fox got him from
Overconfidence.
Well, I'm sly like a fox. I can outfox this Finn.
And Sam's like, maybe this is real after all. Meanwhile, did you notice what happened here? Finn helped himself to the craft scissors over at the top secret lab. And that's how he got around this trap. This time. Back to the lab. Again? Well, of course, we haven't succeeded yet. That last trap's kaput. It was far too simple, Sam. I need a wild roller coaster of a trap. I will twist this twine and loop and wind Finn in circles.
Wake me when you're done.
Don't take a nap. I'll nab him now. Oh, and now we're using the dominoes. I knew those would come in handy. Now let's see what happens. Okay, whoa. Let's see. We need to break this down. Okay, so there's the gold. It starts all with a gold because everybody knows leprechauns love shiny things. So there's the gold, and then there's a basket, a different laundry basket, I'm thinking, and it's there, and then it's tied to this thing, and then the center, and then so how is it gonna be? So then the fan is gonna, and then the ball's gonna do this, and then hit but then the teapot over here with the green goo that's gonna pour into the teapot that's gonna make the thing go. But then I don't know. I don't think I'm mathematical enough to understand what she just invented. Do you understand it? Yeah? You don't. Well, the point is, it could work.
Yeah. The more complicated it is, the more likely it is to work. That's what I think.
Okay. If you think so, let's do this.
No! Finn got loose and vamoosed. But how?
Look at that. The thing worked. I don't know how. But it fell down on top of the gold, and the gold is gone. And there are the footprints, and Barky McBarkerson. He knows everything, but he's not talking.
Try and try, but let me be clear. Your machine is missing a gear.
I've designed, I've built, I've tested. He's vanished every time. What am I not seeing? Wait. What? That's it. What's it? A trap Finn doesn't see. Ah, I see. Actually, I don't. Okay, so now we see her grabbing some glass panes, going behind this curtain that says, no leprechauns allowed. And Sam, her increasingly less doubting brother, is carrying his piggy bank. Maybe because there's gold inside? I'll disguise my trap. I need mirrors like a funhouse, a spool of invisible wire. Meanwhile, look what's happening here. Barky McBarkerson and Finn are like besties now. But okay, so she's got a spool of invisible wire. What's she gonna do? Look at who went in. Because you know, the minute that you put down no leprechauns allowed, you know who wants to go in? You know, don't you? Leprechauns. You know, that's the same thing with witches, too. Yep, it says no witches allowed, so that's the first place I want to go. Yeah, it's true. So if you want no witches to show up, say witches welcome, and they will be like, no, I don't even want to go there. So he, of course, went in, and look at that. There's the X marks the spot. I guess that's where they're going to trap him. And okay, so you see this? This is the mirrors that they brought in, and they used the gold from his piggy bank, which, by the way, how did he get gold? Anyway, they filled up these pots, but it's just a few pots, but it looks like more pots because of the mirrors, and Finn is completely dazzled. They're all waiting, and Eureka! This trap did the trick!
This is no baloney.
Oh no, at the baloney!
Yeah, this is so awesome. Wait, why is she getting baloney?
I have no idea, but I don't think it's a good idea.
Yeah.
Okay, so they got him, high fives. Barky McBarkerson's like, oh! And he's like, ah! But then, oh no! We blinked! Why did you blink? And we were hoodwinked. Hoodwinked, a big, beautiful word that means we were tricked. In a twinkle, Finn the leprechaun was gone. But not before writing out a lovely parting note again.
Try and try, I told you so. But for your hard work, a triple rainbow.
Oh, hey, thank you, Finn. I mean, that is not a bad consolation prize, although, Sam, you did lose your life savings.
I'd like to say my work here is done, but now I've got a lab assistant, and that's a good thing. Can we catch Bigfoot too? How about a Yeti? Ooh, the Loch Ness Monster.
Because we're gonna need a bigger trap. Bigfoot, Yeti, Loch Ness, they're drawing out the plans already, and look who showed up already at the top secret laboratory. That's Bigfoot himself. We should probably take a picture right now because that's a hard sighting. And look, they've got the X marks the spot. I wonder if they're going to use the old mirror trip. You're going to probably go and play with Bigfoot while they're trying to catch him. Oh, so you want to catch a leprechaun. So here is what we need. Okay, so we need to get the supplies. So we already saw some things, and then we saw that second trap, which I still don't understand. The mirror thing definitely worked. Let's make sure that we have some of the basics. I told you I had some of the stuff here, somewhere around here. Okay, so they're telling us that the day before St. Patrick's Day, usually our best chance at trapping one of these magical, mischievous, miniature marvels. And Claire has some tricks because she's done all the research already. So we need a cardboard box, like the thing that just came from Amazon or something at your house. And then anything shiny, like my gold coins. Green Bear, where are my gold coins?
Oh, those weren't snacks?
No.
Oh, okay.
Oh, man. You ate the supplies. Oh, okay. Well, try not to eat the supplies. Let's see what else we could do. Glitter, tin foil, pipe cleaner, popsicle sticks. Oh, he ate all the popsicles, too. Let's see. Oh, a mirror. I do have a mirror here. I took it from Olivia's bedroom, so hopefully she won't be missing it. Oh, has anybody seen my mirror?
Oh, it's right over there.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, now they took my mirror too. What else can we possibly? I don't have anything else right now. Look, I brought you my favorite rubber band. Oh, thank you so much, Dr. Dinosaur. This is exactly what I needed. I was really needing some supplies because everybody ate them or took them. I heard, so I hope that this helps you. You are the most helpful of all, Dr. Dinosaur. Oh, yes, it's good. It's a good spot. Thank you. You're welcome.
Somehow, mysteriously, all the coins, the chocolate coins, disappeared.
Mysteriously?
Yeah, but I have a great idea.
Okay, what is it?
Your bracelet!
This one?
Yeah, look at that. It's nice and shiny. You're gonna love that.
Oh, okay. All right. I'll put my bracelet out as an option. Okay, so then now you know. You have to do your research, sketch it out, gather your supplies. Don't eat the supplies. Build. Time to wait. And then happy trapping to you. Oh, and don't forget the bread. The bread for the bologna and leprechaun sandwich. No, we don't eat the leprechaun. That's just, I don't even know how to respond to that. Anyway, kid, have an amazing St. Patrick's Day, and may the luck of the Irish always be with you.